We all know that a nutritious breakfast sets the tone for a productive day ahead. But let's be real, mornings can be a rush, and sometimes it feels like there's just not enough time. Don't worry, I've got you covered with some quick, delicious, and healthy breakfast ideas that'll have you starting your day right in no time. Let's jump right in. Number 1. The Energizer Smoothie Bowl. First up, we have the Smoothie Bowl that is packed with energy. This beauty is not only a feast for your taste buds, but also a nutrient powerhouse. All you need is a blender and a handful of simple ingredients. Throw in some frozen berries for antioxidants, a banana for natural sweetness, a scoop of protein-rich Greek yogurt, a splash of almond milk for creaminess, and a handful of spinach for that essential morning boost of vitamins. And there you have it, a refreshing and satisfying smoothie bowl that you can top with granola, nuts, and a drizzle of honey. It's like a burst of energy in a bowl, and it only takes minutes to make. Number 2. Savory Veggie Omelette Wrap. Next up, we have a savory delight, the Veggie Omelette Wrap. This one's a winner if you're craving something filling and packed with protein. Plus, it's customizable to your taste. Whisk a couple of eggs, pour them into a hot pan, and add your favorite veggies, peppers, onions, tomatoes, you name it. Once it's cooked through, slide it onto a whole grain wrap, add a sprinkle of cheese, and roll it up tightly. A scrumptious portable breakfast that'll keep you satisfied until lunchtime. It's a great way to sneak in those veggies and start your day with a protein boost. Number 3. Overnight Chia Pudding. Last but not least, we have a no-cook wonder, the Overnight Chia Pudding. It's the ultimate time saver, and the best part? You prepare it the night before. In a jar, combine chia seeds, your choice of, a touch of honey or maple syrup for sweetness, and a dash of vanilla extract. Give it a good stir, pop it in the fridge, and let the magic happen overnight. By morning, you'll have a thick, creamy pudding loaded with omega-3s, fiber, and protein. Top it with fresh fruits, nuts, or coconut flakes, and you've got a nutritious breakfast that's ready to go. And there you have it. 3 incredible, quick, and healthy breakfast ideas to kickstart your day. Whether you're on the go or have a little more time to spare, these recipes have got you covered. Remember, breakfast is the foundation of a healthy lifestyle, and with these tasty options, you'll be energized and ready to conquer the day. If you enjoyed this video, you're going to love what we have in store next week as we reveal diabetic superfoods that taste good and keep our glucose in check.